Good morning, friends. So last night I learned a couple of things. I learned that gravity is real and I don't bounce.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So last night after Glenda and Kirsten left, I was just chilling out here by the campfire, sitting in my chair there. It had rained, so it was pretty muddy. But yeah, I was just hanging out and I decided I needed to use the restroom. Well, I didn't want to walk all the way over to the restroom. It's all the way around this loop a good ways. So I had the bright idea to just go and tinkle by that tree right there. Well, then I realized my neighbor's right over there. I needed to resituate myself. And I ended up falling over the log of doom, y'all. It was so bad. So yeah, fell right in the mud. It wasn't pretty. I was like, oh no, this is how they're gonna find me. Anyway. So today I'm going to avoid logs and gravity, but I am going to go head out and meet up with a friend, and it hopefully will be another great day.
Well, all right.
I think this is the right place. I mean, it looks... Oh, yeah, I'm in the right place. Do y'all recognize this van? Oh, I think he's in here.
And I thought the ceilings.
Hi, George.
Hey, Lola, you made it.
I'm on my way to Maine. Thought I'd stop by and say hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Good to see ya. I first stumbled across Humble Road's channel about a year or so ago. He was building out his own Pleasureway van. And let me tell you what, that is one cool van. I just fell in love with it. So now he has his own shop and he is building out Sprinter vans. Let me tell you what, this guy doesn't cut any corners and he is making the very best product that he possibly can. It's amazing. So he took the time to give me a little tour of his shop and show me a few things and how he goes about doing what he does.
I needed those fixed glass. You know, there's certain things I had to have.
Yeah.
And there was one, this one.
Well, I know a lot of people will get them and then have the glass put in.
Yes. That's when you have problems.
Yeah, they leak and stuff. Something too I've heard is that it leaks behind here.
Oh, you know what? Yes.
Yeah.
I have on YouTube. You know what people do to fix that leak? They pull off all the panels. And then they squirt silicone. They break the clips. Now you're going to get more clips.
And they never clip back right.
They never clip back. This was my test. This stuff is from 80/20. What this is used for is to push it inside the plexi frame so it doesn't rattle. But, see this piece? I put that piece there when I first got the van. I drove it to Indiana and back, and the piece stayed there. And all you have to do is press it in, and it sheets the water away.
Nice.
You don't have to pull these panels.
Huh.
Right. That's all you have to do is push it in.
So that's excellent. Yeah, because I know a lady who just paid somebody big bucks to pull all that off and squirt silicone in it. So I had another just fabulous day today here in New Jersey. I had a lot of fun hanging out with George from Humble Road. Thank you, George, for having me over. That was so much fun. If y'all don't know who Humble Road is, go check out his channel. You will not be sorry. He has got an excellent channel. That guy is brilliant. He's hysterical and very methodical and a perfectionist, let's just say. So I learned a lot from him in the short time that we hung out. It was a lot of fun. So, well, I got a little message on my phone a little while ago that it might start raining here in a few minutes. I looked at the radar. I think it's going to be a short shower, but I went ahead and threw everything in the van and I'm ready for it. Just going to sit here by this fire and hopefully if it is a little shower it won't put my fire out. Anyway, I hope whatever you guys did today, you had a fabulous day too. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the comments and the thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Isn't that a great sound? It's sprinkling out there. Quite a lovely evening.